How do the Listen tools work in WebReader? The Listen tools are located on the top toolbar of WebReader. Begin by clicking Listen.
Technology is everywhere.
We press the Pause tool, which is immediately to the right of the Listen player, to pause the playing. Its icon is a set of two vertical lines. When you click on the Pause tool, it changes to the Resume tool, which has an arrow point icon. Press the Resume tool to begin listening again.
We began typing on a typewriter.
To end the playing, we press the Stop tool, which has a red square as an icon. Notice that when you click on Stop, the Pause Resume tool is replaced by a counterclockwise circle icon, which is the Play from Start tool that will replay the material. Press the Play from Start tool to begin re-listening to your work.
Technology is everywhere. We began.
We pressed Stop. Highlight some material and press Listen from the pop-up menu.
According to Oxford Languages,
You will want to practice using these tools.